Oh, so me see the Gaza and the Venture them fully outside. If you try to bring down Masicka. I say him flapping at St. Kitts. But me watch the show. Yeah man, me just done watch the show man. Him no flap.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
A few moments later.
So from the other days in, see them a compare the data we here to the crooks. You see me? I'm just a laugh star car. You can't compare the alkaline there with that with that Masicka there. That don't make no sense.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
A few moments later.
Bumbo Rasta. Jamaica, stop!
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
One. You don't know one Media Fox panning up, you know. Yeah man, so people. See Necko fire run out. Chat a bag of thing. Yeah man, but you can know say him not really believe what I say. You understand? And I just Necko fire that, but make you hear what I say.
Oh, so me see the Gaza and the Venture them fully outside. If you try to bring down Masicka. I say him flapping at St. Kitts. But me watch the show. Yeah man, me just done watch the show man. Him no flap. He would perform good. But yeah, people walk out. People
The man say man no flap, but people walk out. Yeah, people. Brother, you know that. Sometimes, I don't know, bro. It's like, bro, you just can't change reality, my G. You understand? I guess something have to really, really happen. If it look too bad, brother. You understand? Because my Masicka performing, bro. You understand? And remember, say a man will say, my goat and my king and this and that. So anything we have to reach him, I have to just reach him, my G. You understand? I get criticized on a bag of thing. So if you're a goat, we see the goat performance. You see me?
tired. It's a long night. While some people are real, while some people are listen. But when them say flap, that look for say yo, in performance lame. And him not entertain the people. We see the people not get entertained, so we not try to say. We not try to discredit the youth, man. We can't discredit the youth glory. All we not try, we can't discredit the youth glory. You see August, and I Barclays, we don't catch a pre, man. Yeah, man, I think you take boy every perform after Idonia and Movado and still come hold back energy with people.
Boy, Necko vibe, I don't know which show you watch, you know. I don't know which show you watch, my G. You see me? But we know say, yeah, crooks defenders too, so we understand. You understand? But you know you're not genuinely sure what you say, my G. You see me? You just have to say that and trolling and a bag of thing. But everybody see what I want, my G. You see me?
Remember, you know, music and music. I remember Donia and Movado, them a legend. You know, take boy to perform after them. Same way, have a close show and hold a vibe with the people. People tired of one guy they yard, man. Nothing wrong with that.
So you say people tired and want to go them yard. I don't understand that, bro. You even make it look worse than Masicka, that, brother. Once the people tired and want to go them yard, dog. Charge a youth.
Not talk about the man flap. I don't see no flap thing there, so. No go and allow the youth.
So people, this is a video where people might walk out from Masicka while I perform. They don't know. People, some say I look at baby cooks run out. I say, bro, we wanna get food no thoughts from me, G. Eh? No, like really, where wanna get to no thoughts from? Yo, the man look with one video with Masicka and I compare with Alkaline my G. Bro, Masicka no lyrical like Alkaline my G. Trust me, Masicka be a simile. Alkaline full up of metaphors. You understand? Yeah, bro.
I could get shock up, so please remember to surrender quick. And I still do them, I'm a friend, them, I will advise. I don't know how we do it. You see me, I said them, say to crack a freestyle, because we are the baddest team off the face of the earth. Any boy violate will left them face in the dirt. See me, I say, we don't fuck back here with us some pussy. Bad people king. Tell them this. Run this town like two at eat. Pussy, tell them do not eat. If I do that, then my crew black eat. Who shot reach over them so cat me. Drive by in the brand new black jeep. See that set gun empty. Reload again. That's how we do. Listen it. Never scared. And a freestyle this, me never write it down. Any boy this that life it down. Me never bleach my skin, me never rise it drum. At home, don't try this son. Summarize this gun from a guy's lift tongue. I grade smoke inside this gun. Like Michael Jackson, the Glock it a sing. Gunshot big like a buckle of king. Boy scream like y'all when shot it your skin. Mark down barrel. Watch it a spin. Never scared. Freestyle. Out there. So we do it every day. Lyrics in overdrive. Current a kick. Please remember to surrender quick. Our world.
Yo, man, I tell you, so them crooks, man, are so obsessed with Alkaline. Man, them just love push up Masicka with Alkaline and the Jaja youth.
He's the youngest and the baddest and the smartest, you're right. Alkaline now when me name, Roland Bartley in real life. He's a very bossy voice, so certain things me won't try. Like some DJ where I have to call up my name, pick it a high. Anyone will like beer, step to me if you want, we get a strike. Movement, blood decorator, shirt into some red stripes. Never youths them look up to me, not cause me is a tall guy.
Yeah, man, I say, go, man. Alkaline, show you metaphors and just mad with the flow and everything, my G. You see me?
Hey, meditation so high, rhyme with me,
Hello, people. So from the other days in, see them a compare the data we had to the crooks. You see me? I'm just a laugh star, the Alkade, and that's Alkane video. You see me? That's just Alkane video, but everything else, I thought the greatest that ever did it, which is teacher. Everything else a teacher. Nothing else not belong to Alkaline, but him on that video. You can't compare the Alkaline there with that Sika there. That don't make no sense.
Bro, you're sick in the head, my G. You're sick in the head, dog. Masicka, where you attack? We copy everything from Donia, my G. Hi, Donia. You see, man, Masicka DJ like Donia, my G. You see, when Cartel fought in a game, a fast lyrics, Cartel do. You see what Alkaline do a fast lyrics? Cartel no flow like how Alkaline flow a while ago. Some don't know what I fought from, my G. You understand? We not compare Cartel with Alkaline greatness. Through the youth great. We not compare him. Every day you say about style, this and that and Ray and Ray. I don't understand this, bro. You see me? Every time you hear man this, look how much youth, what you say? Ray and try if you do a Cartel do or copy a Ray and them can't reach go nowhere. Tell me now, people. Not even Vice Cartel won't son them. You understand? Some of them know one art, brother. I just feel like, say, True Alkaline is a great artist. And when it comes to Vice Cartel, it's like, you just want to put Vice Cartel to the youth greatness. You understand? It's like this. When Bounty give Cartel a platform and Ray, you just want to give Cartel a youth greatness when the youth find and do him own thing. It's the major second, I give copyright to controversy. Controversy not use, you know. You see me? Years now not do it. Years now. I don't even make no sense. You see me? Every day, I never see no compare nothing with no other artist more than Alkaline. That's all I do, my G. And it just prove wrong every day. You see me? You say man I live in a style and a two different type of man them. Cartel love the media and all of them little thing there. A man will just start in a game with a start out with fast lyrics. You don't say Alkaline a DJ them way them, G. So I don't know what you talk about, bro. I just a talent, you know, see. I just that, you know. The youth smart. A talent, you know, look pan, you know. True Alkaline great. So it's like, you don't want to put Cartel to him name now. You understand? But I saw it go. You see me? Because I not so, you know, put Cartel with him own son, them, you know. Yeah, man, I not do them thing there. You see it?
That don't make no sense at all, man. Believe it, man. You see me? And I forgot for something from 2016 when Alka saying find the family. Alka never find the family them time there.
That's not.
Them time I live in a teacher family. You see me? Yeah, man, we know, man. I can than this.
So wait there, what is Vice Cartel family? I don't understand this. What is Vice Cartel family? Ain't people? Cause cartel they end up in prison, so I don't know what kind of formula una attack. You see me? Me don't know what kind of formula, brother. If Vice Cartel they have a formula where alkaline for use, him would have make his son them use it too and make other people who him know. Wanna feel like what carry on alkaline carry? You no feel like they are just a bag of talking, brother? I man songs and him catalog my G. You understand? I just that. One songs and catalog carry him career where him there how the youth move. All of them look at thing them a G. You see me? Cause we never expect say the youth to be great in a that become great in a dancehall. When no see him now not try say, yo, living at this a shadow here, Ray. And a two different man them the G. You know say cartel up on the media all the while, all of them look at thing there. You see me? Yeah, me no know what you mean by living a man's style and what alkaline I do for cartel. Eh? That's what alkaline asks to you know. If you not get copyright or controversy or courage. Because as alkaline say, what happen? Who the brave? You understand? Alkaline forward out and just be himself and do something in a dancehall way. Yo, as a young youth, you're brave to do that. I just that, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So this I do I perform down a Saint Kitts, you see me? Yeah, man, a bag of phone light. Cranium. Yo, cranium, yo, you girl them scream out.
What? Crooks.
Yeah, man. A song there, tough piece of song. So make something I tell them what I go on. You see me? Make them know.
Crooks fans them. Unless you say Masicka na live up to the title and when put on his name. See? Remember, you know, he say my goat, he say my king. No problem with that. Any man can put what they want to put on their name, see? But he might live up to the expectation.
Boy, I don't know, my dog. Like, no. Them have to actually see for themselves, you know. You see me? You see, because the thing kind of tribal in a way where you have the vendetta, you have the Gaza. So it's like, you see, because everybody choose them sides. So when you see, sometimes them not listening is like when people say something, them feel like, say, oh, I choose this man your artist, make you say so. But then I realize, say, bro, actually I see how the people them respond to the songs them when I perform, which is the same songs. One of them always I get hits and him get consistency with him songs and everything. Yeah, him have that by putting out a lot of music. You understand? But no mean said these songs is really a hit song. You understand? Because when him go out there in the world, perform these songs, the crowd do not give back the reaction to the songs. You understand? Just simple like that. You see me? And there's more to come. And more people are going to realize what I want.
I live up to the kingship, I live up to the goat. Because this is the time now, you know. When Masicka should have in a beast mode, you know. When Masicka should have in a beast mode right now, Masicka in a sleep mode. See? Because Masicka headlining Barclay right now. Masicka should have drop some whole heap of hit song right now if you go in the Barclay Center, you know. Because it clearly say the whites and the mute and all sort of song where you know say are the biggest hits them in a dancehall.
Well, brother man, them say hits them ever go in a Barclay Center and so we see the performance them with the two show them, so we have to just see what go on.
Crowd now react to them, you know. When time him been a do this previous show, you know. He crowd now react to the song them. See? So, right now, he need some more songs. He should have pressure a thing right now. See? Because, yeah, the Plaza fans them fall out. So right now, you should have show everybody, say, watch ya. Me no need no strength from the Plaza, you know. Me over here, so I do me thing myself, you know.
Well, it look like when he left the Plaza, it's not going well for him. You understand? Not going well. And this is the thing, you know, people. Masicka bus about 2015, you know. And we are now in 2026, which is like, what, 11 years? And to be honest, bro, in the career for 11 years, and bro, you're supposed to reach a certain levels, my G. You understand? Like, what do you call it? Like, 5 years ago or 7 years ago. Whenever you hear them talk about Masicka and consistency and hits and all of them look at things, my G. You understand? So, I don't know. I always tell people, say, yo, Masicka career, bro. I don't know if it like, it a flow the wrong way or what, bro. You understand? Cause if you man when them say drop a bag of hits, dog, like, why when the man perform them songs like, is these really hit songs, my G? Or some good song? I want to know, because it just not make no sense, my G. Years now any man in the game. I have to me people say get the animal. Bro, you know how much is 11 years over a decade, brother, and you still can't perform and run the crowd, bro? Jaja youth. Well, people might go see what going on, you know.
Should I drop be a hit song now and a shell down a place and a lock down a place? See? Because we don't see the cartel na drop no song. I pay garbage. See? So you don't say you right now a king and a goat. So show the dominance. Show say right now. The Gaza now nothing over you. See? A hit song them fear drop now if you go in a Barclay. Pay a hit song because you see a hit maker. Them say a hit maker too. So where sang them there? Where sang them there? Nobody now react to whites again, you know. Whites are your biggest song, you know. And we don't see nobody react to your whites like one time. You see me? Them song they don't fade away already. So
Jaja dog. Well, imagine finding your biggest song after 11 years. You see me? And Jano. People, I say you go. That's one of them things there, see me? As me say sometime, you have to just make reality speak for itself, you see it?
you need some hit song now, some real song. Run out some tune now if you go in Barclay. You have a whole heap of time. Hit maker. Run some hits and stop sleep. Crooks.
Well, them say Masicka hit maker. Why, I don't know, you know. I not see it in a show performance, I know, G. Hit maker no. Now sing to the crowd and the crowd just stand up on here, so. You see me? Yeah, brother, so. That's one of them things, them, G, so. There's nothing else. You see me? But, for those respect for the people who support the movement, you see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. We don't want media facts on the app, you know. You see me? Just stop force up the crooks them, dog. You see me? Crooks them have more time. Crooks them need more. And if put in the work more, my G, for reach to that over there. You see it? Yeah, dog. I just look a hype and a bag of thing kind of mess up the narrative. You see me? But you don't know one media facts on the app. Big up on yourself. That is it.